Hi everyone, it's Grant here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the big trends that I think will be happening with Facebook ads as we head into 2019. So wait until the end of the video, because these big three trends that I've spotted I think are going to be massive to the success of Facebook advertisers as we go into 2019 and beyond. So just recapping what's happened in 2018, there's been a whole bunch of changes that happened in the Facebook advertising space over 2018. There's all been these, the data issues, there's been algorithm changes, and as per usual, the cost of ads, the CPMs have been shooting up. So it's becoming harder and harder for advertisers to be able to run profitable Facebook advertising. And basically, what has worked in the past isn't working so well anymore. And basically, I think Facebook advertisers are really going to have to change the way they advertise themselves if they're going to be successful as we move into 2019 and beyond. And as I've said, I've spotted three big trends that I think are going to become massive for Facebook advertisers over the next 12 months and probably beyond as well. So what's the first thing I'm saying? Well, I think, and in fact I know, video content and relationship-based marketing is going to be fundamental with Facebook ads as we move into 2019 and beyond. And I'll tell you why I think this as well. I've been doing a lot of research in the Facebook groups recently, and all the Facebook ad groups, and the amount of distrust and sort of how almost annoyed and cheesed off people are with a lot of adverts out there is really eye-opening. At the end of the day, there's so much, a lot of the ads out there are quite frankly garbage. There's, really hyped up promises, just really hypey ads, don't offer any value, and people are just tired of it. These ads are just offering no value, and people have got really sensitive BS meters now. They can sniff a hyped up ad a million miles away, and that is why you've got to change your strategy and potentially lead with valuable content. So here's what I mean. So also in the summer, I was looking at what a lot of the big gurus were doing, and Frank Kern flipped the whole Facebook advertising model in his head. So rather than, going direct response, getting the lead, then the sale, he has, his strategy, which he calls intent-based branding, is to release valuable, helpful videos into the market that help people solve their problems, build rapport and trust, and then obviously to build audience of people of, watch these videos, and then for the most engaged people who've watched the videos, he'll make them an offer. But at the end of the day, he's leading with valuable content, and this content, is building trust. It's actually proving he can help people by actually helping them by giving them valuable tips in his videos. And this is where I think Facebook advertising is going. So in my opinion, one of the big trends of 2019 will be video. So, for the first step in your funnel, the ads you're taking out to cold audiences, valuable, helpful videos will be massive for Facebook advertisers in 2019. These videos typically should be anywhere from 5 to maybe 8 minutes long. You need to test the length, but at the end of the day, the whole point of the content in the video is to solve your audience's problems, get them to bond with you and get them to trust you, and so you can prove you're actually helping your audience by helping them to solve the problem. So that is going to be, video is going to be massive on Facebook advertising, and it's kind of like the way to bring down people's guards and get them to sort of see you as someone genuine who can actually believe that you can help them. And obviously once you build that relationship, once people like, know and trust you, it's so much easier to get the sale, because people's guards are down. They know you can help them because you've already helped them in the video content. So basically you don't have to pitch so hard in order for them to purchase your stuff. So video is going to be massive on Facebook ads in 2019. So definitely start using it. Now the next thing is for those people who still want to use direct response ads. The traditional copywriting sort of methods, or direct response copywriting methods, are nowhere near as effective with Facebook advertising. So we're at the end of the day, as I've said before, people are just over all of a sort of typical direct response Facebook ad copy, all of the hyped up promises, all of the hyped up sort of copy, promises, all the hyped up ads. People are over it. So basically, if people want to use direct response, Facebook advertising, and it will still work if you do it the right way in 2019, but your ads are going to have to be a lot more conversation, going to be a lot more native, and need to look more like organic posts where someone's actually having a conversation with you rather than sort of pitching you really hard and using loads of hype. So this is another big trend. So basically, Facebook advertising or Facebook ads and the copy using them needs to be a lot more conversational. It needs to guide people on the journey, walk them through their pain points in a conversational tone, and sort of guide them to the solution that's going to help them to overcome the problem, but in a very conversational kind of way. And long form copy is going to be massive. And if you are going to use direct response copy ads, then definitely use video in your ads as well to sort of give value. And this is another thing. Ads, if you're using sort of direct response ads, the ads themselves need to be valuable in and on the sales where the advertiser actually gets something from reading your ad and watching your video. So that's the second big trend I'm going to see. You're going to be seeing, you know, ad copies can have to be a lot more conversational, need to be valuable. Long form copy is going to win, and you need to sort of combine video with your long copy ads as well. And the last thing, and this is kind of like a new thing, but it's going to be massive, is basically messenger marketing. And why is messenger marketing going to be so big? It's because it's having real conversations with your people. Yes, you can automate a lot of the conversations, but at the end of the day, you know, the most seamless way to sell your products and services is to engage with conversation with your ideal customers and clients. And obviously with Facebook Messenger ads and using, you know, apps like ManyChat, you can automate a lot of those conversations and sort of guide your prospects through your sales process so they become a new customer. So guys, those are the three big Facebook advertising trends that I think are going to be happening in 2019. Definitely give them a test for your ads and for your business, and I'm pretty sure that they'll work really well for you. So if you like this video, like and comment on the video. If you really liked it, why not subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications button, and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos, which I do about 2 to 3 times a week. And the last thing I'll say, if you want to take your marketing skills and your marketing campaigns to the next level in 2019 and have my help, then why not join my brand new Vault traffic and conversion community that I've just launched. I've made 40 lifetime memberships available, and these will be available up until the 31st of December. If you want to become a Vault lifetime member, there's going to be a link in the comment section below. Just click on the link, see if it's right for you, and why not become a member. So guys, that's what I've got for you today. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to speaking with you all soon.